How to fix Telegram search problem on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Telegram search problem on Android phone. First open settings and here scroll down until you find apps and then click apps again, and here just type Telegram and click on it, and once you're here all you need to do click force stop and go to storage, clear cache, and that's it. Now your problem must be fixed, but if that doesn't fix your problem, just go back and go to Play Store and then click updates, and after that just close all the applications in the background, and now just restart your phone and try again and your problem will be fixed. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.